Hi friends, here is a quick link video just to see kind of a weekly overview for our first week of online. I know it's already been a few challenges and I'm re-recording this video because apparently it didn't save. Anyway, we're all going through the technology online craziness and I wish you good luck and please email me if you have any questions, okay? So this is our weekly overview page. I'll post a video kind of right in here. This one we're recording just to help you out. This week, our goal is strictly just to understand Canvas. So there'll be a day 1 lesson for Canvas, a day 2 lesson for how to participate in a discussion through Canvas. Day 3, students are expected to participate in a Flipgrid discussion. Day 4 should be how to submit a writing assignment, and day 5 will be a quick little Nearpod activity for how to be safe online. And their success criteria just tells them how they'll know if they've understood it. That first day, they can actually scroll down and click on the Apple button, or you can hit next to go on to the next part of this module. Modules really just mean what is your weekly to do, okay? So day 1, overview of Canvas, students will watch a quick video, and then I have asked for parents, if you can, to do this student information sheet for me. I've already got a few parents that have scanned it and emailed it right to me. That was fantastic. They'll click next to go on to the next part of the lesson. And again, notice this then says day 2. So today is really all about understanding Canvas. Tomorrow is understanding how to participate in a discussion. And so they'll watch the tutorial for how to participate in a discussion, and then we'll actually practice a discussion. So the next page gives us our story of the week, which is going to be how I spent my summer vacation. And our discussion prompt is just having our friends tell us what they think the story will be about. Okay, and you'll click on this reply button, and that's how you'll start to create the discussion. You won't actually get to see much, but I can already see that some friends have gone onto it, which is just fantastic. You'll click next to go on to day 3, and that's where we're participating in our Flipgrid. And students, if you're not sure, you're going to watch how to do this. And then there's the written out directions for us as well. Once they've watched that video on Wednesday or day 3, they'll click next to actually participate in our Flipgrid. So they'll watch a video, and this is actually just the read aloud of our story for the week. And then this is how they'll get into Flipgrid to answer our discussion prompt for those. They'll join with Google using their CSD Docs email. That's kind of a hint for them. If you're not sure what that is, please shoot me an email and we'll work on getting it. To get to day 4, they can continue to click next. And day 4, the Thursday the 27th, is how to submit a writing assignment. Watch the video, and then they'll hit next to actually go in to participate in our writing prompt for our story. It's taking a minute. The writing prompt, they'll watch my video for what they're supposed to write about, and then we do have a rubric for them so they can see, did they use capital letters? Are they using punctuation? Did they spell things correctly? Did they write about something they did over the summer, and did they use exaggeration? Okay, so it kind of goes in with our story. The very last day, we're looking at digital citizenship, so how to be safe online, and they'll participate in the Nearpod, which is loading. Just type in your full name, scroll down, and it'll say join, and you'll participate in those activities within it. If for some reason it's not working, here's kind of a quick how-to. And then that really is all that we've got for the first week. Okay, so if you have questions on that, please let me know. I know some friends are just getting into the class, some friends are just getting assigned to the class, some friends are already getting through the first module. So remember, online learning is kind of at your own pace for home. So hopefully that helps. It's an adventure already. Talk to you guys soon.